Hello and welcome, vitepos fans. In this video, we'll show you how to hide products in the POS panel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. To start product hiding, go to the POS dashboard. First, search for cap. You can see it displayed in the results. Now, let's search for belt, and it also shows up. Next, go to products and search for the product by name. Select the product you want to hide, then choose the option to hide it from the POS. After that, return to the POS dashboard and search for the same product again. You'll see that it no longer appears in the search results because it's now hidden. If you need to make it visible again, simply go back to Products, locate the item, and unhide it. Return to the POS dashboard, search for the product, and you will see it's now displayed again. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.